Hello everyone, myself K. Sankirtana. I am working as an assistant professor in St. Martin's Engineering College, Department of CSE AAML. Today I am going to explain about the topic of OSI layer. Before going to OSI layer, we have to know the definition of the network. Here, network is a collection of interconnected devices that can be communicated to each other. Here, it enables resources sharing, data transfer and communicate between devices. Here, network can be classified as LAN, WAN, MAN and PAN. Here, LAN is a local area network. Limited area connections like used in offices, homes and schools, whereas an WAN is a wide area network. It will be used in geographically like cities and country, whereas MAN is a metropolitan area network where MAN is a larger than LAN and smaller than WAN. PAN, personal area network, is a shortest range like Bluetooth and smart TVs. OSI model. Here OSI stands for Open System Interconnection. Here we have 7 layers frameworked and developed by ISO in 1984. OSI stands for International Standard Organization, and here each layer has a specific functions and work together to transfer data from one device to the another. Here it helps troubleshooting and standardization communication. These are the 7 layers of the OSI model. Here we have 7 layers like application layer, presentation layer, section layer, network, transport layer, network layer, data link layer and physical layers. These are the 7 layers. First, application layer provides network service to the user like examples web browsing, emails, and like presentation layer performs encryption, decryption, data translation and compression, whereas in section layer it manages, establishes and communicate the connections, whereas transport layers it ensures error-free data transmission and reliable data transmission, whereas network layer it manages IP addresses, routing and path selection, whereas data link layer it handles framing and MAC addressing and error detection, whereas in physical layer it converts the data into the signals and transmit them through wide or wireless medium. This is the data flow through OSI model. Here application layer, presentation layer and section layer are the software layers, whereas transport layer is the heart of the OSI, and network layer and data link layer, physical layer are the hardware layer. The top 3 are the software layer and the bottom 3 are the hardware layers, and the middle one transport layer is the heart of the OSI. Here the top application layer, presentation layer and section layer are the user support layer, and whereas network layer, data link layer, physical layer are the hardware support layers. Here functions of the application layer. It is the 7th layer of the OSI model. Here user directly interact with the software, provides network service for the applications like browsers and emails. It handles file transfer, web browsing and remote accessing. Here in application layer to web browser request will be content, and from the website we get the request content in a request format. Here we have some protocols such as HTTP, DNS, Telnet, SMTP and FTP, whereas HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. It is the foundation of World Wide Web, WWW. DNS stands for Domain Name System. It translates domain name into the IP address, whereas Telnet stands for Telecommunication Network. This protocol is used to managing files over the internet. SMTP stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. It is used to transfer the electronic mail from one user to the another user. FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol. here the files are transferred from one file devices to the another. Next most layer, functions of the presentation layer. Here it is the sixth layer of the OSI model. Translation layer, data compression, encryption and description. Whereas translation convert the data into which sent by the user and into the machinery readable language. Like data compression reduce the number of the format of bit transmitted over the network and decreasing file size to the faster delivery. Here encryption convert the secure data in the form of binary format like ones, zeros. Decryption. Here decryption convert the data into the encryption data into the normal original format of the receiver end. Here we have some protocols like AFP and SSL. APL stands for Apple Filling Protocol. It is a device used for Mac based platform. Here SSL stands for Secure Socket Layer. It is provide for security to the data. Functions of the section layer. It is the fifth layer of the OSI layer model. Here we have segmentation management, authentication and authorization. Here segmentation management establishes, manages and maintenance connections. Here whereas authentication verifies the user identity while allowing to the access, whereas authorization grant permission to the based on the user roles. Here section communication, here connections. Here we have some protocols such as RTCP, PAP. RTCP stands for Real-Time Transfer Control Protocol, which provides outbound and control information. PAP stands for Password Authentication Protocol. It is a password-based authentication protocol used to point-to-point valid users. Functions of the transport layer. It is the fourth layer of the OSI model. In these layers, we have reliable data transfer, segmentation, error detection, error correction and flow control. Whereas reliable data transfer ensures accurate delivery using TCP. Here TCP stands for Transmission Control Protocol. Whereas segmentation splits the data into the small packets. Whereas error detection, it identifies the error. Error correction corrects the error without retransmission. Flow control, data rate must be constant on both sides. Here the data will be the segmentation, transmitted, reassembles. Functions of the network layer. It is the third layer. It is the third layer in OSI model. Logical addressing, routing and path determination. Here logical addressing assigns unique IP addressing to devices. Here routing determines the best path of the data transmission, whereas path determination selects the best possible route to connect two devices over the internet using protocols to determine the shortest path. Here packet creations, routers, packet creations will be sent to the router, router will be sent to the packet assembles. Functions of the data link layer. Here data link layer is the second most layer of the OSI model. It is the major role to ensure error-free transmission of the information. Here we have in data link layer framings, physical addressing, error detection and flow control. Here in framing encapsulates data into the frames before transmission. Physical addressing adds MAC addressing for identifying devices, whereas error detection uses CRC like cyclic redundancy check for data integrity. Flow control, it regulates data flow between sender and receiver. Here framing, in data link layer the data will be converted in the framings like frame creation, local network delivery and transfer frames, between net. Here we have data link layer protocols such as PPL and synchronizes data link layer. In PPL stands for point to point protocol. It is basically WAN. Synchronization data link layer, it is used for system network architecture involvement. Functions of the physical layer. It is the first layer of the OSI layer. It converts binary data into the signals for transmission of the data. Here the data will be in the bit format to transfer the data from one user to the another. Here we have we used wireless communication medias. Like here wide is coaxial fiber optics. Here coaxial have two conducted parallel access, whereas fiber opticals as electrical signals, where wireless radio waves, it ensures proper voltage levels, signal modulation and data rate control. Defines hardware specification such as cables, switches, network and adapters. Here sending cable in the bit streams. The data will be converted in the bit form to the receiver cable. Here physical topology. In physical layer specifies a way in which the different devices are arranged in network, that is bus, star, tree, string, mesh and hybrid. Here bus every computer network and devices should be connected with a single cable, whereas star have all devices are connected with a single hub, whereas string, the data will be flowed in the circular form and it should be in single way, whereas tree we have hierarchical format and in this tree topology we have nodes and branches, whereas mesh interconnected to each other, whereas hybrid two or more network topologies. Here transmission mode, in this type the way in which data flow between two connected devices, like in this we have three types like simplex, half duplex, full duplex. In simplex the data will be sent in the single format, like once the data is sent, before the response is sent from the receiver only the data will be sent. Whereas half duplex the data can be sent at a time, but the data can be transmitted on both direction but not in the same way, where full duplex the data can be sent at a time. Uses of protocols such as Ethernet, Wi-Fi, USB, Bluetooth. Ethernet is widely used wide network, whereas Wi-Fi wireless communication. USB stands for Universal Serial Bus. It is connection between devices of over shortest distance, whereas Bluetooth is the shortest range wireless communication. Here this is the overview of the diagram. Here sending the data from the application to the presentation to the section layer to the transport layer to the network layer to the data link layer to the physical layer, while the data will be in the format of bytes and the data will be sent to the receiver. The receiver will send again the data in the form of physical layer, data link layer, network layer, transport layer, section layer and presentation layer, application layer. Then the data will be sent to the sender. Now I am going to draw a drawing. Here sending the data to the application layer, presentation layer, session layer, transport layer, network layer, data link layer, physical layer. Physical layer, data link layer, network layer, transport layer, session layer, presentation layer, pencil. Here the data will be sent by the sender like hello. The data will be sent to the hello in the form of bits. In application, the data will be sent hello, that user interconnection. Then in the presentation, the data will be sent in the bytes format, and the section layer, here the data will be sent in the connection established. Here in the transport layer, the data will be in the format of segmentation. In network layer, the data will be in the format of packets, whereas in data link layer, the data will be in the form of framing, whereas in physical layer, the data will be in the form of bytes. Here, the data will be sent to the receiver. The receiver will receive the data like hello. Again, the receiver will send the data to the sender in the format of physical layer, data link layer, network layer, transport layer, session layer, presentation layer, and application layer. Then the data will be sent to the receiver to the sender. Here in sender, the data will be in the format of from topmost to the bottom. When the sender is sending data from the application layer to the physical layer, whereas then receiver will send the data from the bottom layer of the to the top. Here data link application layer is the 7th most layer, presentation layer is the 6th most layer, section layer is the 5th most layer, transport layer is the 4th most layer, network layer is the 3rd most layer, data link layer is the 2nd most layer, physical layer is the 1st most layer. Here from 7th layer to the 1st layer, the data will be sent from sender to the receiver, whereas the data will be received by the receiver. Again, the receiver will send the data from 1st layer to the topmost layer, like 1st layer physical layer, 2nd data link layer, 3rd network layer, 4th network transport layer, 5th section layer, 6th presentation layer, 7th application layer. In this format, the receiver will send the data from 1st layer to the 7th layer to the sender. Here we have 7 layers like application layer, presentation layer, session layer, transport layer, network layer, data link layer, physical layer. Here the top 3 are the software layers. And the bottom 3 are the hardware layers. Transport layer is the heart of the OSI layer. Here the top layers are the user support layers and the bottom 3 are the network support layers. Here the overview of the complete OSI model. Here sender will sending the data from application layer, presentation layer, session layer, transport layer, network layer, data link layer and physical layer. Here the sender will be sending the data like hello. The data will be converted bits in the format of data hello, and here section layer, here connections are established. In transport layer, segments, the data will be in the format of segments. In network layer, we have like packets where the transport layer data will be divided in the packet, like divided in data link layer, the data will be in the form of frames. Physical layer, the data will be sent in the byte format to the signal. Here the data will be received by the receiver hello. Again the receiver will be sended back back send message to the sender, like from physical layer to data link layer to the network layer to the transport layer to the section layer to the presentation layer to the application layer. This is the overview of the OSI model. Here we have some important questions about this OSI model. Previously asked questions like draw and explain OSI model, list and explain functions of the network layer, and give the difference between TCP and UDP. Here TCP stands for Transmission Control Protocol and UDP stands for User Defined Protocol. Next, list and explain transport layer services.